everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making banana pudding, so let's get started. It's really easy. Just make sure your bananas are ripe, but not overripe, okay? Sometimes if they're overripe, they're brown, and we don't want that. So in a mixing bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of milk. You can do this with a hand mixer too, it's not a problem. I'm going to add 1 French vanilla Jello pudding instant. It must be instant. We're going to mix this till it's well blended. If you can't find the French, just use regular vanilla. It doesn't matter. I had to go to 3 stores to find the French, so don't worry about it. I've noticed that here in Ohio, I'm having problems getting any kind of Jello anything. So I'm going to put this on and let it go, mix real well. While that's mixing, you're going to take 1 package of Chessman cookies from Pepperidge Farm. You're going to need a total of 2 packages. And we're going to lay them in the bottom of a 9x13 pan. I'm using a tin can today because this is going to go to a party and I don't want to have to worry about bringing my stuff back. So I'm just going to pour them in and you're going to lay them on the bottom. And you want to fill that bottom up. You have to break some to fit them in, that's fine too. If you use a glass 9x13, these fit much better. But I'm not worried about it, it'll be fine. Turn this up a little bit, get it going. Some of these are broken, we can use them to fill in with. I'm just going to place some broken ones in here just to make sure it's all covered, that's all. I have a little left over because, like I said, my pan's a little bit narrower. And that's all it needs to look like. I'm going to put a few up here in the corner. Okay. Now, I'm going to get my spatula out and I'm going to do the sides and the bottom of the bowl to make sure it's all mixed really well. Alright, so then I'm going to start cutting my bananas. I just want this to get really mixed well. And I just cut, it says 6 to 8 bananas, but I use a little bit more. I love more banana in mine. So I'm just going to cut them in slices. Like that. Doesn't matter how big or how small. Okay, now in another mixing bowl, you're going to put 1 softened 8-ounce cream cheese. You know, you would think by now with all the technology they would figure out how to make this cream cheese easy to get out of the package. Okay. Just going to scrape this with my knife, make sure I get all that cream cheese out. Smells good. So you're going to mix your cream cheese. Stir this one more time. It's thickening up now, that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to add to our cream cheese 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. And then we get a spoon for that. Put that in there. Okay. Put that there. Now that that's nice and thick, I'm going to take that off. And now I'm going to do my cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk. Start out on low. You're going to mix that until it's really smooth, okay? In the meantime, I'll move this so you can see. On top of my cookies, I'm going to add bananas now. Like I said, I don't know how many I'm going to use, but I like mine to have a lot of banana. You want them to kind of lay flat, even if they're on top of each other, just so you can put the cookies, the last layer of cookies on. Alright, once your cream cheese mixture is nice and smooth, you're going to take 12 ounces of Cool Whip and we're going to fold it in. Now, I had 2 containers in my freezer. They're 8 ounces a piece, so I'm just going to use them. Now make sure you guys buy extra bananas, because if they're brown or rotten in the middle, you cannot use them. I used every one of those bananas I had here sitting here because some of them were really, really bad. I'm just folding in. Now you take from the bottom and you fold to the top. Don't mix it yet. Just fold it in. Now I'm going to add the other 4 ounces. Actually, I'm going to get a clean spoon so I can put this back in the fridge. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just eyeball it. Okay, I'm going to fold that in again. Make sure you're getting the bottom. Alright, now that that's all folded in nice, you're going to take your pudding mixture and you're going to add it to your Cool Whip mixture now. Mine started setting up a little bit, but that's fine. That's what we want. Okay. Now I'm going to fold that that in. And you really want to mix this really good. Make sure you get that pudding throughout the whole bowl. Just making sure it's mixed in. I still see some yellow ribbons throughout. I just want to make sure it's all mixed in. That way no one gets a big glob of just pudding. Okay, this is looking really good. Now we're going to pour this over our banana mixture. Banana and cookies. Okay, spread that out and see where we need more. Okay. All right, now I'm going to add the rest of my cookies on top. I don't know what I did with my rag. Oh, here it is. I'm just going to add the cookies on top. Actually, I see a few spots that might need a little bit more. I want to make sure those bananas are covered so they don't turn brown. And like I said, this will fit a full 9x13 pan. I'm just using this one, which it's 9x13, but it's deep and the edges are really curled in. Alright, so now I'm just going to place my cookies like so. And this part you want it to look nice because this is their top. And since I have a little bit of my mixture left over, I'll make Jack a small banana pudding for dessert for tonight. I don't have much left, probably enough for one little bowl. Okay. And if by chance you do have cookies left over, just go ahead and eat them. They're delicious. Kind of like a shortbread butter cookie. Put this one on backwards. My OCD's kicking in, sorry guys. Everything has to be facing the same way. Okay. And once this is done, you're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator till you're ready to use it. I would let it sit for a good 3 hours at least, just so that all the flavors meld together. Alright, my OCD is going to kill me, but I have to put in broken cookies. Alright, and there you go. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you. Bye.